Welcome to today's video on how to start selling on OfferUp. OfferUp is a widely used online marketplace facilitating local transactions for buying and selling products. With its user-friendly interface and mobile app, it's an ideal platform for those looking to declutter their homes or start a side hustle. In this video, I'll show you how to start selling on OfferUp, from creating your account to finalizing your first sale. Create your account. The first step in selling on OfferUp is to create an account. Download the OfferUp app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and after installation, open the app and click on the Sign Up button. You can register using your email address, phone number, or social media accounts such as Facebook or Google. Once you've chosen your preferred method, follow the prompts to complete the registration process. It's really simple, but it is essential to choose a username that reflects your brand or the items you plan to sell. After creating your account, you may want to set up your profile. Adding a profile picture and a brief description can enhance your credibility and attract potential buyers. Understand the rules and guidelines. Before listing your items, familiarize yourself with OfferUp's rules and guidelines. OfferUp prohibits the sale of certain items, including firearms, alcohol, and animals. Understanding these guidelines will help you avoid having your listings removed or your account suspended. Additionally, be aware of local laws regarding the sale of specific items, as you are responsible for complying with these regulations. Taking the time to understand the platform's rules will ensure a smooth selling experience. High-quality photos are crucial when selling on OfferUp. Clear, well-lit images help potential buyers see what they're purchasing, increasing the likelihood of the sale. Take multiple photos from different angles to provide a comprehensive view of the item. Ensure the item is the focal point of the image by keeping the background uncluttered if possible. Use natural light to enhance the appearance of your photos. Remember, first impressions matter, and quality images can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. Along with excellent photos, a compelling description is vital. Be honest and detailed about the item you're selling. Include information such as the item's condition, dimensions, and any relevant features. Avoid using jargon or vague terms. Instead, be clear and precise in your wording. Consider using bullet points for simple readability. For example, if you're selling a bicycle, list its features, such as the brand, size, color, and accessories included. Additionally, highlight any unique selling points that may interest potential buyers. Pricing your items appropriately is essential for a successful sale. Research similar listings on OfferUp to gauge the average selling price for your item. If you're unsure, consider starting with a slightly higher price to allow room for negotiation. Be open to offers and be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers. Offering discounts for bundled purchases can also encourage sales. Remember, pricing is crucial. Setting a fair price can significantly impact the speed of your sale. So, communicate promptly. Effective communication is key to a successful transaction. Respond to inquiries from potential buyers promptly and courteously. Being friendly and approachable can foster trust and increase the likelihood of a sale. Keep your messages clear and concise. If a buyer has a question about the item, provide them with all the information they need to make an informed decision. If you agree on a price, confirm the details of the meeting place and time for the transaction. Meet safely when meeting a buyer. Prioritize safety. Choose a public location for the transaction, such as a coffee shop or a busy parking lot. Inform a friend or family member about your meeting plans and consider taking someone with you. Before finalizing the sale, ensure that the buyer is satisfied with the item. Encourage them to inspect it thoroughly before completing the transaction. Once you agree on the terms, exchange the item for payment and do not hesitate to walk away if something feels off. So, in conclusion, selling on OfferUp can be a rewarding experience if approached correctly. By creating an account, understanding the guidelines, taking quality photos, writing compelling descriptions, setting fair prices, communicating promptly, and meeting safely, you can maximize your chances of success. Thank you for watching this video on how to start selling on OfferUp. I hope you found this information helpful and that you feel confident in beginning your selling journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Happy selling!